Do you want to sound more fluent and natural in English? Then stay tuned because in this video, we'll learn 20 powerful prepositional phrases that you can use in daily conversations. These are different from the ones we covered before, so you'll be adding even more variety to your English. Let's jump right in and make your English stronger step by step. At the top of means in the highest position. For example, he placed the book at the top of the shelf. Use this phrase when something is on the highest point of something. At the bottom of means in the lowest position. There is a note at the bottom of the page. We use this when something is located at the lowest part. By means of means using or with the help of. He solved the problem by means of a calculator. It shows the method or tool used to do something. For lack of means because something is missing. For example, the match was cancelled for lack of players. This phrase explains that something didn't happen because something was not available. In agreement with. It means consistent with or matching. For example, his opinion is in agreement with mine. We use it to show that the two ideas or people agree. In connection with. It means related to. For example, the police questioned him in connection with the robbery. This phrase links one thing with another. In contrast to. It means opposite to. For example, her calm nature is in contrast to her brother's temper. We use it to show the difference between two things. In front of. In front of means directly facing or ahead of. For example, he stood in front of the mirror to adjust his tie. It shows position directly ahead or facing something. In line with. It means matching or in harmony with. For example, the company's policy is in line with government rules. This phrase shows that something agrees or fits with another thing. In place of. In place of means instead of or as a substitute for. For example, she used honey in place of sugar. It shows that one thing is used to replace another. In spite of. It means despite or regardless of. They went for a walk in spite of the train. We use this when something happens even though there is difficulty. On the basis of. On the basis of means based on. For example, he was chosen on the basis of his experience. It shows the reason or criteria for a decision. On the grounds of. On the grounds of mean for the reason of. For example, he was arrested on the grounds of suspicion. This phrase is often used in formal or legal context to give a reason. Out of date. Out of date means old or not current. For example, this information is out of date and needs updating. We use it when something is no longer useful or valid. Out of question means impossible or not allowed. For example, going on vacation right now is out of the question. It shows that something cannot be considered. Under the influence of. Under the influence of means affected by something. For example, he was driving under the influence of alcohol. We often use it when someone is controlled by alcohol, drugs, or even strong emotions. With the exception of. With the exception of means excluding. For example, everyone attended with the exception of Tom. This phrase highlights the one person or thing not included. Within reach of. Within reach of means close enough to be reached. For example, keep the medicine within reach of adults but away from children. We use it to show that something can be accessed easily without regard to. It means ignoring or not considering. For example, he acted without regard to the consequences. It means not thinking about the effects or rules. At odds with means in disagreement with. She is at odds with her manager about the new policy. This phrase shows conflict or disagreement. Great job. Now you have learned 20 new prepositional phrases with simple meanings and examples. The more you practice, the more confident and natural your English will sound. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss the next video in the series. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next lesson.